50 fun facts for 50 states. Hello, fact finders. Today, we are going to learn 50 fun facts about the 50 U.S. states. So get your thinking caps or notebooks ready, because here we go. Alabama. Alabama is the birthplace of famous scientist and inventor George Washington Carver. Alaska. Alaska is the largest state by area in the United States. Arizona. Did you know that Arizona has the most telescopes in the world? It's true. Arkansas. Arkansas is the only U.S. state that has an active diamond mine. California. You might be surprised to learn that California is home to the biggest tree by volume in the world. But if you've ever seen a giant sequoia tree in real life, maybe this isn't a surprise at all. Colorado. Speaking of the biggest things in the world's largest silver nugget was found in Colorado. Connecticut. Connecticut's state song is Yankee Doodle. Delaware. Delaware is nicknamed the first state because it was the first to vote to ratify the Constitution in 1787. Florida. Gatorade was invented in Florida. Georgia. Georgia is known as the Peach State because commercial peach production began there, but South Carolina actually grows more peaches. Hawaii. Hawaii was the last state to join the United States. Idaho. Want to know which state has the longest main street? It's Idaho. Illinois. Illinois is home to the pumpkin capital of the world. The village of Morton, Illinois produces 85% of the world's canned pumpkin. Indiana. Indiana is known as the goldfish capital. Iowa. The state of Iowa makes more ice cream than anywhere else in the world. Road trip, anyone? Kansas. Have you ever heard the phrase, flatter than a pancake? Well, Kansas is literally flatter than a pancake. Kentucky. The world's largest underground cave can be found in the state of Kentucky. Louisiana. The longest contiguous bridge spanning over water in the world can be found in Louisiana. It is 24 miles long. Maine. What state is known for its lobsters? Why, Maine, of course. Maryland. Speaking of unique creatures, Maryland's state animal is the thoroughbred horse. Giddy up! Massachusetts. Basketball was invented in Massachusetts. Michigan. This might be surprising, but Michigan has the most lighthouses of any U.S. state. Minnesota. Minnesota is considered the land of 10,000 lakes because the state has over 10,000 lakes within its borders. Mississippi. Along with its cool spelling, Mississippi is also the place where Coca-Cola was first bottled. How refreshing. Missouri. Back in the day, Missouri was the starting point for the Pony Express. Montana. The largest ever recorded snowflake was found in the state of Montana. Nebraska. Do you like Kool-Aid? Same here. Kool-Aid was invented in Nebraska. Nevada. Which state produces the most gold? Nevada. New Hampshire. This great state is where the character of Uncle Sam was created. New Jersey. Have you ever been to a drive-in movie? The first drive-in theater was in New Jersey. New Mexico. The first nuclear bomb was tested in New Mexico. New York. George Washington was inaugurated President of the United States in New York State. North Carolina. Pepsi was invented in North Carolina. North Dakota. North Dakota is the #1 producer of honey in the United States. How sweet. Ohio. This state does not have a rectangular-shaped state flag. Its flag is a triangular swallowtail. Oklahoma. To the relief of shoppers everywhere, shopping carts were created in Oklahoma. Oregon. Oregon is home to one of the largest organisms in the world. a fungus affectionately nicknamed humongous fungus. Pennsylvania. We think it's pretty great that the Great Dane is Pennsylvania's state dog. Rhode Island. Rhode Island is the smallest state. South Carolina. South Carolina is known as the Palmetto State, which references its state tree. South Dakota. This state is home to the Black Hills, which has two monuments, Mount Rushmore and the Crazy Horse Memorial. When the Crazy Horse Memorial is finished, the statue will be almost twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Tennessee. Even though Mountain Dew was created in Tennessee, milk is the official state drink. Texas. The official state dessert is pecan pie. Yum. Utah. When you think of Kentucky Fried Chicken, do you think of Utah? Well, you should, because the first KFC ever was opened in the state of Utah. Vermont. Do you like real maple syrup? Then you should visit Vermont, which is famous for its delicious maple syrup. Virginia. Virginia is the birthplace of the most U.S. presidents, 8 to be exact. Washington. The state of Washington grows the most apples in the entire U.S. West Virginia. Mother's Day was first observed in West Virginia. Wisconsin. Fancy some cheese? Then you should visit Wisconsin, which is known as the cheese state. Wyoming. Last but not least is Wyoming, which is actually the least populated state in the Union. There you have it, friends. We hope you enjoyed learning 50 fun facts about 50 states. Don't forget to share what you have learned with your family and friends. See you next time.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.